Thank you so much. My name is John. I work for Shaktiman, and we've been having a training here at Egerton University, where we are having the Women Empowerment Program running. So today we are privileged to have this group at our mechanization space. So having these ladies around is just overwhelming and awesome. So I'm privileged to talk to one of the participants of this particular session. Could you kindly tell us your name and what you do, and what are the farming practices and activities you engage in? Welcome.
Thank you. Hello, I'm Darlene Chikoske. I'm from Marathon County, and I was privileged to be among the Women Empowerment Program, and we were able to interact with the Shaktiman company, and they taught us a lot of implements. It's a really good company. It has a lot of, I don't know how to explain it, but it has a lot of great implements. So today we are taught about the Rija or the Reaper, sorry. We have the Reaper. Subsoiler. We call it the Subsoiler. Sorry for that. We call it the Subsoiler, and it is used in making a good depth whenever you do farming. And when the farm is hard, you have something called the hard pan. So when you have a hard pan, you use the Reaper to make them loosen. It loosens the soil, so that when you come to do the plowing, it is far much better, so that you may be able to take care of the plowing machine, so that it may not break.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
That is just feedback on your learning today on one of the implements. And what is the farming activities you engage in?
We do the maize plantation.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
We do potato plantation, and our neighboring counties, they do plant rice.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
According to where you're doing your farming, how can we rate the mechanizational adoption?
So there it wasn't that good,
Much.
better,
Okay.
but with what you're giving us, it's going to really help us. We are not going to use the hand mechanism or our hand or our own energies, but you're going to use your implements, and it's going to make work easier for us.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Thank you so much to learn that you are the ambassador of mechanization in your whichever county you're coming from.
Yeah.
And we believe that as much as you're taking up this training, we are going to see a lot of adoption in your region.
Yeah.
What can you tell other women when it comes to mechanization uptake?
So to my fellow women out there, to my fellow moms out there, because I'm a mom, it's not that you're a mom that you're not able to work with these farm heavy machineries. You can work with them, you being a mom. So that does not mean that you being a mom, you cannot work with these things. And for men out there, we are coming, guys. We are good in these, and you know how to take them of them more than you can do it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. I love the energies. And what can you recommend the public about Shaktiman?
Oh, guys, Shaktiman is the best. You should know that. And they're way cheaper than other companies.
Wow.
Sawa. Big up Shaktiman.
Thank you so much,
Darling.
And we'll have the pleasure of visiting you once you have these implements in your portfolio.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, and have a good